How to make money with Temu in 2025. This is going to be a complete tutorial for beginners so you can understand how to make money with Temu in an easy and simple way. First of all, how do you do it? You need to register. In the video description, I will leave you a link. You have to register an account, and I recommend that you register it in one of the following countries on this list: the U.S., Australia, Canada, and well, several of the ones that appear here. I will scroll through so you can see if your country is listed, and if it is, you just choose it and register your account in that country. There's one thing about Temu to be able to make money, and essentially, fundamentally, it's sharing discount codes and purchase links to earn a commission on what people buy using your code or your links. And basically, all these countries participate in this, but not necessarily if, for example, you are from the U.S. The people who buy in the U.S., it's not just the ones you can say you'll use, but you can also share your link with people from Canada, Mexico, or other countries, and if they buy, you will earn a commission. So it's really good. It doesn't just work for people from the same country, but for anyone around the world. For this, once you have registered, something like the following will appear, and what you will get, for example, in the U.S., because it varies by country, but in the U.S., you earn a 30% commission on each order that the person who registers with your link makes. And if the person downloads and logs into the application, you'll get $5. And then, in this scenario, in the case that the person who registers already has an account, you'll earn 5% to 20% for each order that person makes from the application. For example, this could be beneficial. This obviously depends on whether the person is registered or not. Once this is done, and you share your link by clicking Share to Earn, all these options will appear. You simply share the link. You can do it on TikTok and you can do it on Facebook. Later, I will share a strategy that is very good for making money with this. And once you share it and people start registering, your balance will begin to increase, and you will start receiving more and more money. Here you can register directly to PayPal, or you can do it to your Temu credit, which is for spending within the Temu platform itself. Further down is where we really find the most interesting part. All of this is what you can share. For example, free gifts, an exclusive discount, a coupon group. You can offer a 40% discount, up to 90% off, a big savings. You just need to click on where it says share, and this link they give you can be shared on any social media. You can simply make a lot of TikToks. That's what many people do. They just create a TikTok saying, "Today I bring you a 90% discount coupon." And what they do is put the link or the code directly on the screen. And when people buy, they use it and get their discount. For example, here you can make a video on TikTok saying you have a 40% discount coupon with this code. And what happens is that every time someone registers with your code, you'll generate those commissions we saw earlier. You can do the same with this section of free gifts. You can make a video on Facebook, a video on TikTok. I recommend they be short videos, and you simply say there's a code to get free gifts on Temu, and you share this code here. When people register and buy with that code, you get the commission. Then this is for another type of person, specifically for those who have a page on YouTube, a page on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. They can register as influencers, and for every post, video, or update they make, they will be paid. So, for example, if you make a post, they give you $50 in cash, meaning real money that you can withdraw, and also $25 in credit to shop within Temu. The more posts you make, the more money they'll give you. You also have campaigns that get activated from time to time. And what you can do is simply activate each of these and send posts or videos every time you join a new campaign to generate more money. Next, we have the section for hot items, which is for people who want to share products. You, for example, can have a group on Facebook or WhatsApp or Telegram where you share deals, and what you do here is hit share and send the link. And for every person who buys with your link, you will earn a commission. For example, on these items here, the commission is on average about $5 to $6. And then, the last way to make money with Temu is by inviting affiliates, which is basically what I'm doing right now. As it is here, I have some money pending to be given to me, and I have withdrawn $118. And what this means is that for every person I invite, I can earn $5 or more, depending on whether the person has 500 followers or more on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. And then, if a person joins with my link, each of them will earn $5, and so on. Depending on the number of followers they have on their social media, they can register, and if they have more than a certain number of followers, they can get up to $70. And then, if the person registers and shares links, you can earn a 20% commission for each person, which is what I'm doing right now. And there are other things that, let's say, give you exclusive benefits. This is mainly for Black Friday, which offers a $2 welcome bonus and up to $300 in credit to use within Temu. And this is how you can really generate quite a bit of money. I have my Temu affiliates account in the U.S, and the main account where I share links, where I've earned over $2,000, is in Colombia, which is where I mainly am. And here I share the links, and that generates money for me. So, well, it's a really good tip. If you want to make money from practically anywhere in the world, remember that only the countries listed above are participants in this promotion. If you share the link with people who are not from these countries, you won't be able to generate earnings.